positive bias, but as you can see, it did see that big spike at open. But what's buzzing in RHI Magnesita, which is formerly known as Orient Refractories, my colleague Sharad is here to tell us what exactly is happening with this particular counter 6% uptick, Sharad.
Well, yes, the stock has hit its all-time high levels and even the volumes have been coming strong. Now, do remember that the metal demand has seen a recovery and there's a lagging effect coming in when it comes to the demand for refractories. Now, the demand for the refractories is actually primarily dependent on the consumption of steel, where it derives almost 65 to 75% of its total volume, and that is why there is a buzz coming in the refractory space. And there's also analysts are stating that there might be an acquisition in the refractory space they might do in the domestic space between 200 to 250 odd crore rupees. Now the company is having almost 15 to 16% market share in the refractory space, which followed by Vesuvius India and IFGL refractories. Now the triggers ahead is something which you will be watching out for. Firstly is the strong technical support coming in from the MNC parent company RHI Group, which is holding almost 70% stake in the company. Apart from this, there's a capex happening in Cuttack and Vizag, which will increase the important capacities going ahead and an important re-rating for the stocks as analysts are estimating. And they're also likely to replace direct imports coming of almost 100 million euros from the parent company. Apart from this, two important risks are also associated with the business. Firstly is the cyclical nature of the business, and secondly is the intense competition coming from the peer set as well. Now we did check the valuation here, but the stock is trading at the higher end of the valuations amongst its peer, trading at almost 31 times its FY24 PE numbers.
All right, thank you so much for that, Sharad, for telling us what exactly is happening with this particular counter. And as Sharad mentioned, RHI Magnesita, it's a tongue twister, is actually perched at a record high levels. But on that note, we slip into a break on this edition of Markets at Noon for more on the